Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're baking bacon. Yeah, that's right. We're making an easy episode. Fast and easy. We're baking bacon. I first heard about baking bacon about half a lifetime ago, and I've never done it. So today we're doing it, because that's what this show is about. Taking all the things I've never done and doing them, and seeing what happens. Now, I've got a wire rack on a baking sheet. I'm preheating to 400 degrees. I've been told you don't really need the wire rack, but I'm using it anyway. We're going to arrange on our baking sheet and do it in whatever way you can fit the most bacon. Now, one thing I'm liking about this already is that usually when I make bacon, I wind up cutting it in half because it doesn't fit on the griddle, right? This way the bacon stays whole. The downside seems to be that you can't fit all of the bacon in the pan at once. But that's okay. Easy enough, right? Now we're going to stick it in for 10 or 20 minutes and we're going to monitor and see how it goes. We're about 15 minutes through. I'm going to go ahead and rotate. Okay, proof of concept. I definitely overcooked it though. Like definitely. I should have rotated it sooner. I should have taken it out as it finished. Okay, so we learned some things from this experiment. One, everything needs to go the same direction. If it doesn't go the same direction, then you wind up with different cooks all over, and that's no good. Two, it is still delicious. I ate this strip, and it's good. So I'm thinking monitor it a little bit more, and I'm thinking rotate halfway through, and pull it a lot quicker than I did when it starts picking up color. We're going to add this to the list of things for me to try again later. I'm going to call this a failure, but I don't think it's really a failure because I'm still going to use most of this. So, I think this is the first time I've posted a failure. It's not the first time I've failed. So with that said, remember, anyone can cook. Sometimes you make mistakes. Like, subscribe, click that little bell, and give me some tips for how to do this right. How do you do it? Because this is messy. Messy. Bye.